Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, your source for exceptional video analysis of stocks, ETFs, and indices so you can become a better trader. Today we're going to take a look at Synaptics, SYNA. All right, so on the chart here, we've got a daily chart of Synaptics. And it looks to me, let me zoom out a little bit so you can get a little bit better picture. If we go back to this low in September 2011, it looks like we had one wave up and then a pullback, secondary, a corrective wave 2, nice strong intermediate wave 3. And then I think we're working a corrective wave 4, which is stretching out to be a flat. At least that's what it looks like to me. Now we've got this trend line here between this point and this point. Now, if this comes down and goes below this point, then we'll have to adjust the trend line. But right now, this trend line is breaking in here. Okay, long-term trend line, and it's breaking. So the reason I'm saying this is a flat, because if this was, say, this is 3, if this was a 4, then this should be a 5 wave up for the 5th wave and final wave of this 5-wave sequence. But I really don't see a clear 5 waves in here. If anything, I see a clear 3 waves. A 5 wave here, a 3 wave B, and then a 5th wave here for C within this wave B. Okay, so in Elliott wave wave patterns, this is what you call flat, where you get the first pullback A, and then B comes back up to the beginning of A and many times beyond the beginning of A, which is what it's done here. Now it's pulling back. Now A should be, in a flat, A should be 3 waves. Now that's the only little messiness I've got on this, is this, it almost looks like a little bit of 5 waves, although this wave, when you look at it, overlaps this wave slightly. And wave 4 is not supposed to overlap wave 1 if this is a wave 1. So I'm calling this a 3-wave pattern, but this last wave down in here is a little bit messy. I'll admit it. But right now, what I'm looking for is this to come back down. I'm expecting, if this is corrective, 5 waves down. It may come down as low as this point A here, which the low, let me zoom in. We'll zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so the low right here is 58.22. But on a shorter term basis, I think we got this gap fill as a little bit of a magnet pulling in, and the high on this is 68.45. So let's call 68.46 gap fill. So there's a good chance that we'll get at least that in terms of this pullback, and then we'll have to watch this wave count here and see if it comes all the way back down here into the 58 price range. But at a minimum, I think we're going to go here. Let me check to see what we're doing on Synaptics. If I've got it, hopefully I do. Yeah, 71.45. So basically not doing a whole lot of anything, up 0.13 right now. And today is August 19th. So it's Wednesday, August 19th, and it is about 9:30 in the morning Central Time. So that's kind of your update. All right, that's the picture I've got on Synaptics. We'll see how that plays out and see where this pulls back to and where support comes in. So that's my initial target right here. Secondary targets down here. All right, everyone have a great Wednesday. Talk to you soon.